Hey everyone, this is Julie with All About That Grout. Let me turn you around so I can show you what I'm doing here. Okay, so if you will look here, you can see that the lines are dirty, but if I just go over there, that is the area that I've already done. So that's clean and has a sealer on it. So if you come over here, you can tell how different that looks, but I'm using the color Bone. So I've already cleaned the tile, and I come back with my Bone stain that has a sealer in it. And what I do, I just put it on my toothbrush. Here's my bow with the sealer. And I just put that on. This tile here is pretty easy. It's pretty smooth. And I just take my rag that has the cleaner solution that we use on it, and I just gently wipe that off. You want to make sure that you get it off this tile. Do you see a little bit of the smudge? You want to make sure that that's off because you don't want to leave that on. Now, some grout lines you have to leave on for a little bit and then wipe. I've been doing it for 13 years, so I can tell when to wipe and when not, because if you wipe too soon, then you're going to have mismatched colors. And if you leave it on, then you're going to be scrubbing to get it off. So what you don't want to do is put it on and do this and leave that, because what's going to happen is you're going to be scrubbing all of that if you let that set. But if you do it too soon, then you're going to wipe everything off that you just did. You just want to make sure you get it off this towel because you don't want any haze on it. So I use a wet towel with our cleaning solution. You can use any cleaning solution you have, but just make sure you get it off your tile. But if I scoot over here, this is very hard to do. Usually you're on your hands and knees and your butt. So if you take this, see how dirty that is? Again, I'm using the color Bone. I sort of go side to side because I don't want to get this wet. And then I come back with my dry, clean towel and wipe that off. See how much cleaner that is compared to that right there? So they have all different colors. You could go darker. I know when the grays were in, we were doing a lot of grays. And a lot of people likes to go darker. And then a lot of people wants to go lighter. But if you look at my Facebook page, All About That Grout, we're in the Dallas area, East Texas. You can see the before and after pictures. And we would love to come and do your tile if you're not wanting to do this task by yourself. Because it is hard on the back, hard on the butt, hard on the thighs. So, and it does take a while to do it. But the steam cleaning, not to take away anything from steam cleaning gets it clean, but it's also going to leave it mismatched and it doesn't seal it. So, I mean, if you want to pay somebody to steam clean it, that's fine. But to me, it's just, I don't know, it's a waste of money. I'd rather do the grout restain. So here I've done this whole square. You can see that this one's going to be clean after I wipe it. And those over there are dirty. See the difference? And then over there you can see how clean and bright it is. It's pretty. So then I'll leave it on for just a little bit. Wipe it. Again, make sure you don't leave this on your tile. You want to get that off. Because the last thing you want to do is have haze on your tile. I go back with a clean, dry rag. And get it off like that. So again, if you're in the Dallas, East Texas area, give us a call. We do the surrounding areas, you know, like Mesquite, Fort Worth, Frisco, Little Elm, McKinney, Saxe, Rowlett, Garland, Fate, Rockwall, Forney, all those areas. So again, I hope you're seeing my video. Please like and subscribe and follow me for more cleaning tips. Thanks, y'all. Bye.